Hi everybody, it's Dave Matthews here for Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a very unique vacuum emulsifier. It's made by TK, as we know them, under the flagship of Primix. They're a Japanese company. One in a small mixer emulsifier. And let me take you through what we're doing here. Right now the unit has on it its own heaters, which you see running here. It has a small tank with two electrodes, about every feature you want in a small mixer emulsifier. And let me take you through what we're doing here. Right now the unit has on it its own heaters, which you see running here. It has a small tank with two electric heaters that provides a liquid source for the jacket. Circulation pump, which you'll hear coming on, also runs that fluid through the jacket. Has its own onboard vacuum pump. Of course, you'll see there's an ammeter with each one of these. I'll take you around back in a minute and show you the vacuum pump. There's an anchor agitator inside the vessel. We're going to use the hydraulic lift and show you that in a couple minutes too. And of course, a homogenizing mixer. Now right now you're going to notice there's a small hopper for feeding, a couple small inlets. You'll see we do have some vacuum pulled right here on the gauge right now. And you'll see this small little piece of rubber we have laid over it. Well, ordinarily this is one of two sight glasses and the glass was damaged, so we're unable to use it. So we're going to show you right here. Let me just see if I can pull this off. You can hear this? Now inside, let me just put the light so you can see. Inside there you see we're running the homogenizer and the scraper agitator at the same time. It's got all the control system is working right now. The temperature gauge up here is reading, this is the temperature that's in the jacket, the kettle temperature as they're showing it. There's also a chart recorder. And I'll just take you around the main electrical cabinet is right here. Everything looks intact. Everything's running perfectly. Obviously, you can see we're operating on 220 three-phase voltage right now. And Tim, if you follow me around the back, has a couple of unique features you don't see on some of the American-made ones. And as you come around the back here, if you look down here, here's the supply tank. And we have water in it right now. It's very hot to the touch. Right here, the one and two on the back. These are the electrical heaters. And there's your temperature probe. You hear the vacuum pump running, which is contained in here. And very quiet vacuum pump. Has its own hydraulic unit. This operates the vessel agitator up and down. Now also rather uniquely, as the material is pulled from the tank through this line, this is a small glass condenser. And we found there's a little bit of clogging here, so we haven't been able to use it yet. But you can run a small cold water feed, which is through this blue line right out here. And so you'd be condensing whatever into that collection jar underneath there. And let me come back around front now. Of course, there's variable speed on this drive. This is the scraper drive, and this is the homogenizer drive right here. And we're going to remove these. Now once you start lifting up, it automatically stops. There's a small micro switch in the back that's compressed by the bridge as it comes down. You'll see it has scrapers and the homogenizer in here. Everything's quite warm right now because this is heated up really well. It has an adjustable deflector plate here. That's for the homogenizer. And these right here are acting as baffles only as this scraper agitator turns in between them. These are not movable. So it's actually a single motion scraper with the homogenizer. There are two sight glasses up top. The vacuum gauge, of course, a couple of inlet ports as you see. Everything's working great on it. So if you have a need in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, for a small mixer emulsifier, this is a great unitized self-contained unit. It's in our stock. I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.